If we're looking for the perfect Southern meal, what do you have to have for dessert?
You gotta have peach cobbler.
And one thing that we've noticed, because of Bananas Foster, what do you put in that?
A little bit of rum.
Rum.
That was your idea. That's a great idea. That's a great idea.
Let me tell you what, if you don't drink and if you don't want to use alcohol, there are rum substitutes out there. But if, you know, it's not enough to make you fall down the stairs.
That's right. And you don't even have to put it in, but it just gives it a
but
good
I'm
little,
telling you,
yeah.
I'm telling you. So if you want to go ahead and get that started while we're getting room temperature here.
All right, this is so simple.
And this is not, by the way, this is not on the healthy list.
No, it's not.
But we're gonna eat tiny little portions. It's
just a little bite.
Just a tiny little portion.
We'll let Joe take it home.
There you go.
All right. This is this is a large can of peaches. You could start with fresh, but this is so much easier. 29-ounce peaches. I'm just gonna pour it in the bowl.
29 ounces?
Yeah. It's
That's
like a
what it
double
said?
can. Yeah, 29 ounce. It's like a double.
I thought it was like in
So it's really, that was like 4 cups, right? Yeah, 29 ounces.
29 ounces?
It was 4 cups.
That's a lot of peaches.
And there,
oh, I love this
poured
stuff.
it in. I got a yellow cake mix, any kind of cake mix you want, doesn't matter.
Now there's probably sugar-free versions of this you can do, but this
That's
is
not good.
This is our one guilty pleasure tonight.
That's right.
Well, maybe our second or third.
Some people like to pour the cake and let it just cook on top. I like to mix it. And in fact, I have a stick of butter that I melted. If you will pour that in there also.
Oh, gladly.
I'm gonna mix this. I'm mixing it all up.
So just around.
Yeah, just put it in. I'm gonna mix it all.
I'm telling you, the rum does magic things. We're using like 2 tablespoons, but you could use 3 or 4. But you don't want to get too. you probably don't want to get too liquidy, do you?
I think 2 are perfect.
All right.
And I'm just gonna stir this up, and I have the oven going at 350, and we're gonna let this cook for 50 minutes, and you won't believe what we get, and it'll be so beautiful.
But think about that Bananas Foster type thing. It's going to give you that same sort of, oh, whatever it is, just magic.
See how simple that was?
I'm speechless,
And that looked delicious.
but not peachless.
Okay.
Ooh, that rhymes.
You're really good.
That was just natural.
That was funny. You gonna try first?
You go ahead.
No, I made it, so you have to
Okay,
try
all
it.
right. I have no problem with that.
Gotta have some ice cream.
Look at this. Got to get some of that.
Gotta get the cake and the peach. What do you think? I mean, how can you go wrong?
Oh my! Listen.
Oh, too easy.
Oh, there's something wrong with that. It's so good.
That's really good.
But you got to get that. You got to get that rum flavoring in
That
there.
really adds a lot.
Miss Farmer, that's ridiculous.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
So easy.